We are back again and it's another unboxing video, but this time it's a tablet, not a laptop. It's a Lenovo IdeaTab Pro with obviously with the stylus pen, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. So I currently don't have nails, so art. I thought this was gonna be hard, but there was already an opening. Yeah, so I bought this because I wanted to have something that wasn't as big as my laptop, which is the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 AI, and I wanted something that wasn't as small as my phone. Get rid of this. So I wanted something in between, basically, and you get a tablet. So, and I don't want to go with an iPad because the Apple ecosystem is not any of my business. Okay, so we have some quality seal here, or control seal, whatever. How do you get rid of this? Okay. Right here. Oh my god, I don't have nails. That's why this is painfully slow. Right. Okay, we have one, and the second one is right here. Yep. All right. So this is unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to review this. I'm not really sure about it. Like I probably will. I'm not sure, but the idea right now is. Do you get what I did there? Anyways, the idea right now is just to unbox it because I'm going to use it anyways. It doesn't matter what the review is. But if you want me to review it, let me know. As you can see, my hands are extremely big. So here is the tablet. I'm a giant, so that tells you a lot with how big the. Okay, let me show you this. This is the tablet, right? And then this is my hand. So if you are a smaller person, I am about 6 foot 6 inches. That's about 195 or 196. So my hands are quite big. I don't know how long they are, but the screen is 12.7. If you look at the back, yeah, 12.7 inches, 3K LCD. It is using a MediaTek 3000 or something. So it is a mid-range. It's a mid-range powerhouse. It's not really the best, but for the price, yeah, I bought this for about 349 euros. I don't know how much that is in dollars, but I think I'll put the specs and the price and everything on the screen so that you guys can have a look. So it has support of keyboard if you like stuff like that. But right now I'm good with the S Pen. I needed something with the S Pen. So was it that this or I'm going to put the alternative I was going for on the screen. So Xiaomi something, I can't remember. But anyways, the unboxing of this. Was that so aggressive? Oh my goodness. Anyways, it is quite slim. Obviously, it's a tablet, but because there's nothing really in the what you call it. There's really nothing nothing exciting going on like in the if you like start to unscrew everything, but that's a little bit of, I don't know, nice feel to it. If you say, people say it's heavy compared to, I don't know, man. Again, I guess this is a big guy thing. I guess I don't know. So what's in the box? This is the stylus pen. All right. This is gonna be. Oh my god, this thing is actually big. I was thinking more in the sense of it's gonna be like an S24 Ultra type of pen, like probably smaller and skinnier, but it's actually quite fat. So I don't know. What else is there? Some boxes, paper. Is there anything else in here? Nope. It is just box. Interesting. Um, USB. No one cares about that. And what else is in here? Really, nothing. Actually, let's be sure. Yeah, nothing. There's nothing else in here. So, yep. This is everything. Ooh, it's already getting. Anyways, whatever. How do you turn this on? It is already getting magnetized to the tablet. Where's the on button? Which one is it? I'm just gonna guess. This one? Right? Nope. Where is it? Oh, okay. Here we go. Right, this is the on button. And yeah, I think this is for the what should I call it? The keyboard, yes, the keyboard. My brain is not functioning right now. And yeah, if you're looking for something decent, I know tablet is more of an iPad game, but honestly, this is gonna work well for me. Let me see if the pen actually works. Is it meant to work now? I don't know. Let's try to English. This is meant to work, right? Interesting. I'm not sure what's happening, but yeah. Anyways, this is an unboxing video. I'm sure it works, but I probably have not done something right. But anyways, yeah, let me see. Yeah, it works, but probably not yet, I'm guessing. I don't know. Anyways, this is all you get with the Lenovo. This is a mouthful, so this is what you get in the boxing. There's no USB S because companies have decided to shank us. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see the review of this, please leave a comment and I will try to do my best to review it because I'm actually going to use it. So you want to know how it works before you buy it. Fine. Right now the plan is to use it anyways. If this thing doesn't work, I'm gonna be pissed, man. I'm gonna be absolutely pissed. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this type of unboxing, let me know because I just buy gadgets and I'll be like, what do I do with this now? So, anyways, that's it. See you later. Bye. Sorry, before I go, I'm still here at the scene of the crime. So I wanted to show you something about the S Pen. Sorry, I said S Pen, the stylus pen I removed the cover and I saw that there's a button of some sort. I'm not sure if that will make it work, but I'm just like showing it because I didn't remove the cover. And there's a USB port for charging, I'm guessing. So I guess this thing dies. I'm not sure how it works, honestly, but maybe this is the on button or whatever. But again, this is for review, but if it works, I'll probably leave a comment that the stylus pen works. But again, this is a bit fat. But what was I expecting because this is not a Samsung, product. But yeah, this will work for now, and that's it. Ciao. And before I forget, I swear to God, this is the last time. I bought a case for this on Amazon also, so I'm going to show you if it fits or if it doesn't fit. If you want to know which one I actually bought, let me know. I'll just put a link in the description or something. But anyways, I'm going to remove the case and I'll be back. So here we go. This is the case I've removed the packaging and yeah, I'm sure it'll fit. It's pretty much the size. It actually feels nice on the hand. So if you want to buy it, I'll leave a description or I'll probably put a picture on the screen or whatever. I don't know how it's gonna be, but let's see if it fits. There's a pocket also. Let's see. Yeah, there's a pocket here. There's a pocket right here. There's like places where you can like rest the tablet on. But let me put it in. I've not even used the tablet first and I'm using the right. So here we go. Wait, what? Okay, right. I was scared for a minute. Wait, does this not fit? Or it's just tight? Wait, give me a minute. Okay, it fits. I just had to, squeeze it in like all of the tablets. So here is here is it. It actually feels nice on the hands. I'm not gonna lie, it actually feels nice. But again, like this button, but does it work? Oh yeah, it works. Yeah, like it's probably the increase button or whatever. And there's a bit of space here for the pen, I'm guessing. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. But yeah, it closes. I wish there was something like something to make sure it stays closed or whatever, but I'm not one to. Oh, wait. It actually does. Oh, damn, that's nice. All right. I didn't know that. So, yeah, there is, I don't know what this is for. What's this for? I actually don't know, honestly. But yeah, this is the case. I'll leave a link to the one I bought. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Finally. So, this is just a quick view of how it looks when I've unboxed everything. Oh, the pen. The pen almost fell. But yeah, this is it. And yeah, if you want a review, let me know. Again, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you wish. Bye bye. For the last time, I swear to God, for the last time.